Hello everyone! I have an exciting news for you. CRB Manny Aringo here. You can now teach online or conduct meetings as if you are meeting face to face. You need one camera to project yourself. That's why you see me now. Another camera to project a whiteboard, just like this. So you can write on anything that you want to explain to your salesperson. For example, the price of the property is 2,500,000 and 20% of that is 500,000, and then the 80% will be loanable through bank or pag-ibig. Okay, so that is one way of using the whiteboard. And you can also project a PowerPoint, just like this. For example, your topic is about fundamentals in real estate. You can instantly show that to your audience and discuss. And you can connect this to a teleconferencing software such as Zoom, so that you can see your audience and the audience there. And the software I am using to do all these things is OBS Studio. For now, it is recorded as a video. To demonstrate this teaching online, let me do it by singing the rebap hymn to express our unity.
Thank you. We from Rebap Mandawi would like to send a message to the world that we are united in these challenging times of our lives. So let us sing together the rebap hymn. Okay. We gather here in unity for rebap and the industry, flourishing in harmony where the seeds of trust have grown. Our honor we have built with pride, in bounty we all thrive. Our fellowship and brotherhood will surpass the test of time. Beyond the hallways of rebap will this lasting glory shine. Splendid as one dear family, with a band that will ever be. Unfailing is our gratitude for blessings we enjoy. For God, our country and reality great, we shall strive to accomplish more. For deep within our hearts there lies that wavering in the greatness of our spirits, we can serve for the joy of all. So hoist our emblem high above, let the rebap banner fly. For generations well live on, hail mighty